everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Laura's Plans and Crafts. She is celebrating her second YouTube anniversary. She is hosting a giveaway where you can send in an item that celebrates anything. And I will link her channel down below and you can watch her video for all of the details on how you can enter her challenge giveaway. I am also joining in the hashtag Stampin' Sunday, hosted by Thelma Hall and Paula with Craftin' by the Pond. I will also link both of their channels down below. Here is the card that I am sending to Laura. The papers are from my scrap pile. The cactus is cut from my Cricut machine using the Destinations Cricut cartridge, and I used the layer and the cactus. Down to the bottom I have the word celebrate, and that was from this pack of rub-ons from Making Memories, and these are all the way from 2003 and they worked great. I am sending flat mail, but I'm also sending flat mail inside flat mail. First, let me go ahead and go through some of the places that I use the stamping. Up here I have the word hello. I use this wood-mounted hello stamp. Up here I have this cute cactus. That is from this dollar store set, the cactus right down there. I have this wood-mounted stamp that says look inside. I love this stamp, and I stamped it right here on the bottom of the pocket. On this side of the project, I made a belly band, and that is housing the flat mail card that I made for her and left it blank for her to reuse. The envelope I made using the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. This is a Project Life card that I folded in half. I stamped this balloon, the Let's Celebrate, the Happy Birthday, and the balloon again. And that stamp set is from Whimsical Designs, and that's Everyday Sentiments. I added a birthday hat that was in my stash and cut this cactus out from a cactus die that I hauled from Temu. The flower is from a old Martha Stewart punch. So that's the one flat mail project for her to reuse. I originally cut too small for the size of the card that I was sending, so I'm just sending this extra cactus. And this is my note to her. I decided to write a note separate and not write anything on the card in case she would like to reuse this flat mail card. I'm going to stick this little note on the side like that for her. On this side, I have a mini envelope that is from my Creative Time, the mini stitched envelope die. Inside of it, I included a sample of my dewdrops, and I added this little heart from this little heart punch that I have in my stash. Down here, I made this pocket using this paper tray ink pocket die. The cactus is cut from the Temu set. I'm also sending her an ATC card. I think it came out so sweet. Again, these papers are all from my stash. I used this Lawn Fawn Hills die to create the bottom, and then added the cactus from the Temu die along with the flowers from the punch. This little banner is one of these banner dies. I think this is from Paper Smooches. The Sweet Friend stamp is also from Whimsical Design. That is my entry for Laura at Laura's Plans and Crafts. Laura, congratulations on your second year anniversary on YouTube. Also, thank you to Thelma and Paula for hosting hashtag Stampin' Sunday. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye guys.